We welcome you to this immersive experience where you will learn interactively how to operate our autoclave B150 system. Before starting, you must put on personal protective equipment. Press the button to equip them. All right, turn on the electrical panel that supplies power to the system. Now turn on the equipment using the main switch located on the control panel. The computer monitor indicates that the program has started. Touch the monitor touchscreen to start the program. Press the green Start button. All right, the equipment has started its self-verification. At this moment, it is performing the feelings. Now the sealing pressure has been released and the pressure bolt and the loading cap ring have been unlocked. The green light on the control panel lamp is flashing. It's time to open the loading cap located at the top of the equipment. Press the green button to enable the loading operation. Use the platform to position yourself near the equipment loading compartment. Take the bag from the waste container and load it into the top of the equipment. Press the green button to close the loading lid and start the automatic sterilization program. The green light on the control panel lamp is flashing. The process has finished. Press the green button again to open the discharge cover. The sterilization of the sterilized waste has finished. You can see on the control panel the physical ticket with the record of the entire process. And with that, the sterilization cycle concludes. Congratulations, you have successfully operated our autoclave P150 system.